Sure. Who has crib hair? Who has crib hair and doesn't care? Crib hair. Hey, you're wearing the same thing you wore last night. I'm just kidding. That's okay. Yeah? Legend, do you want some brunch too? Want some breakfast brunch? What do you think, baby? Okay. Where's Dada? There's Matt preparing the food.
There you go.
He's cutting the tomato.
Cutting the tomato.
He's making me like this egg burrito thing.
Egg burrito thing, Majid.
Yeah, egg burrito thing.
Oh.
Yeah. It's an egg burrito. Yeah, he's making my egg thing because I requested this before you left. So he's making this for me before he goes to work. Wearing his Target hoodie he really likes that I got him.
Target hoodie.
Did the Saints come out, Matt?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, he really likes this, like, it's like a cream
So
beige
egg
hoodie.
and tomato there, egg and tomato.
Yeah, it's like a beige hoodie I got him. He really likes his hoodie there. He wears that one a lot. And then he wears his t-shirt underneath because he doesn't have to wear like a uniform to his job. Uniform. Doesn't have to wear a uniform.
Unicorn.
A unicorn. You're goofy. You're done. And there's the cutie baby Legend. Legend has bedhead. His hair is sticking out like a little birdie. It's pretty cute, actually. Yeah, go get Mama's fake plant. Oh, there you go. Is that fun, Legend? He plays with this thing like every day. So I just put him in this last night, and then after I feed him today, then I'll change him. But I just left him in this little banana onesie thing there. Legend, do you want to eat some bananas? Want some nanas? Matt's leaving. Ah.
Yeah.
Matt's going to work.
Going to work. I got my lunch packed tight. I hope I don't get in a fight.
Eating my food that Matt made me, my egg tomato burrito. And I have some bananas on the side. And he just left for work. Still not feeling so good, so that stinks. My birthday's in 2 days. But happy Vlogmas day 14. I can't believe it's already the 14th. Sorry if I don't look so good, but I am literally not feeling great anymore, so that's great. I've chose to accept it or whatever. I'll probably just like comb out my hair today. I'm definitely probably not put on makeup. Probably chapstick because I usually do that. But when I'm sick, I don't really feel like putting on makeup or anything. But yeah, it's Vlogmas day 14, guys. And like I said, birthday in 2 days, which is kind of crazy. And the only one who has to shop for Christmas presents still is Matt. I have everything shopped for. Legend's being silly, and his hair looks like a little birdie because it's crib hair. I'll show you guys Legend because he's adorable. Hey Legend, do you have birdie hair today? Hey, no baby, no. Did you eat the blueberry and some bananas? And some eggs. Yep, he's just being a little silly cutie pie. Okay, so food is all done. Legend is out of his high chair. Almost every single time he's in his high chair, he seems to go potty, so I always have to change his diaper right after. And I got him dressed for the day. I'm probably just gonna wear my lounge clothes and then comb my hair, obviously, and stuff like that, and put on some chapstick. Maybe I'll put on a little makeup. I'm not really sure. I'm feeling a little bit better, but not too much. And then Legend over here has been coughing quite a bit, so, please excuse the stuff back there. I need to put some stuff away, and Matt still needs to hang our mistletoe and everything, but I will show you guys Legend because he's adorable, and I think his outfit looks pretty cute on him. Are you playing with your eyeglasses? Are you playing with your little nerd glasses there? Yeah. He's in his cute little outfit, and it's so adorable. I put his little overalls on today from the thrift store. Looks like they got a little bit of a stain on them from, like, I don't know, it didn't come out in the wash, but it's okay. He's gonna get messy anyways, but I put him in these cute little overalls. I think they're adorable. And then he's got a cute little, like a plaid onesie thing. It's so cute. And I love it on him. Drinking my chai iced latte drink. Yep, put some creamer in it, and it's pretty good because I'm gonna need coffee if I want to power through this day. So I got my coffee over there. Combed out my hair. I'm wearing this sweatshirt. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Lazy Day somewhere. It says Lazy Day right there. Right there. It says Lazy Day. And then I just have some navy sweatpants on. That's my look for today. It's my, like, I don't feel that good kind of look and things like that. So cute. He's right over there. So I made this one for my niece. We have the second oldest girl in the family. We have their brother. And then we have the little sister. So there's actually 5 kids, but the little boy is only like 1.5, so he's not gonna get one because he's like too tiny to play with things like this. But here they are. And then I made them like a little house out of cardboard, so they're gonna get these little people. So I made one to try to look like each one of them and everything. So here are the little pigs that I made. Hold on, I'll show you a better view. Look at all of the little pig people I made for my nieces and nephew, because my other nephew can't play with these yet. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. I had the funny hair, but I'm adorable. Yeah, I'm a cutie pie. You want to play with this? You want this? It's Mama's pizza pouch. Yeah, Mama's pizza pouch. Yeah, it was a lot of work getting you dressed, but you look cute. Here, let's show your outfit. Whoa, look at that cool outfit. Look at those cute overalls you're wearing. Oh my word, look at the overalls. Legends discovered he can pound on a present, so he's pounding on his present. He's at it again. He's trying to open his presents. A few moments ago, he pulled off a tag on a present. He also has a cough, but I think you're mentioning that. Oh yeah, play with corduroy, Legend. Play with corduroy. We gave him cough medicine and everything, so that should help. Yeah, play with corduroy. Corduroy says, don't open your Christmas presents. Oh my word. I hope he doesn't actually open it. Do your babies do this? Because mine does. Yeah, I'm looking at you, baby. See if it's big enough. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we gotta make it a little bit bigger. Gotta be a little bigger. Take 2. Take 2. No, cool. Nope. Hold on flat. Hold on flat, Edge. Yep, there you go. Hold on flat. Hold on flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You ready? You ready? Oh, did it work? Did it work? I think it worked. Yep. Don't touch it, Legend. There we go. I think it worked, baby. Yep, look. Look at your tiny hand. Thanks to the help of Rose's craftiness. Nope, there. Go. Yay! Say night-night to everybody. We're going to end the video. Okay, so Legend has some medicine in his baba. He's going to have his baba, and then he's going to go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for staying tuned. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Okay, Legend's ready to go, so I got to go too. Bye.